Welcome back. It is that time we say hello to Mike Eppel. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? Happy
Good.
Monday.
Happy Monday, except we just saw each other over the weekend. Mike?
I know.
Let's put up these pictures. This is from the RTDNA Awards Gala, downtown Toronto at the Hilton, recognizing, hey, Richard Southern, and a bunch of the CityNews team as well in attendance. It was fun, wasn't it? Cool to actually get out and see people.
You were one of the MCs. You did a great job, and it was just nice to be out. I felt hungover in as much as it was not because I was drinking particularly, but just because it was weird being in a group setting
and talking that much
with
the people.
Yeah, right. It was you had to almost get used to it. Yes. Very much so.
That's right.
It was that type of an experience, and then actually went out again. I actually went out again last night.
You animal.
To the I know party, right? To the Lumineers concert. So
that's
at
fun.
Budweiser. So yeah. So
very nice.
I'm completely hungover.
You're
not
all
because
over
I
the
was
place.
drinking, just because I'm all over the place with my body clock.
Well, it's not like you have a busy day. Oh wait, yes you do.
Yeah,
Let's talk about the markets.
Yeah, can I go back to bed? Because I'm looking at this thing this morning, and it's an abject mess for stocks. The market sold off on Friday, 880 points on the Dow Jones. We'll use that as the barometer because global inflation pressures just continue to build. We all feel it, the price for everything going up, what this is doing to family budgets, how high interest rates are going to go here as central banks swing the pendulum from cutting interest rates to record lows, now starting to bring that back up to try to cool the economy, if you can figure that out, to pull inflationary pressures down. But I'm reading, some analysis over the weekend, Melanie, about, Vladimir Putin using the war in Ukraine as a way to cause food insecurity by choking off Ukraine's exports of grains. That's going to lead to food prices going up. We're seeing what's going on with the price for gas, of course, at a record high, pretty much globally right now. Family budgets are going to be hit significantly. Those who have the most debts are going to be hit the hardest first. And we're seeing the stock markets react to this and prepare for a potential recession. That is a word that keeps coming up here, specifically for 2023. So this morning, the Dow futures point to a drop of over 600 points. We've got the NASDAQ well into bear market territory. The tech stocks have been out of favor all year, and it looks like we're going to see more selling pressure to come today. U.S. Central Bank on Wednesday will be raising interest rates. By how much? We will find out.
You're also watching the crypto market. What's happening with Bitcoin right now?
Fortune favors the brave, said Matt Damon. Wasn't that the quote?
Something like that, yeah.
Unfortunately, it is almost a panic sell-off right now in the cryptos. Bitcoin this morning is at $24,000 US. Its peak was 60,000 plus. Its most recent high was just over 40,000 back in March. So it's at 24 grand this morning. It's down 12% over 24 hours. I think 14% over the weekend. The cryptocurrency market has wiped out $150 billion in asset values over the weekend. Ethereum's down 14% this morning. Litecoin's down by 14%. Dogecoin, yes, Elon Musk's favorite, down 16% at last check.
Mike, let's finish with this. We only have time for it, and people may like this. Gas prices could be cooling in the short term.
Yeah, that's the knockoff effect of the markets coming down, though, because oil and wholesale refined gasoline are coming down a little bit here in the early trade. I wouldn't look. We'll take it, obviously, but I wouldn't see this as a longer-term trend, at least not yet, Melanie, until we actually see some specifics about global supply levels coming back up to meet demand. This could just be a market reaction more than anything. Rather than a truly fundamental change in the energy trade. But we'll be tracking that price for oil, maybe a Wednesday pullback from current level at almost $2.13 per liter.
Ouch. All right, Mike, as always, a pleasure. We'll talk to you tomorrow.